Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Audi A1. From any screen, you've got radio, car, media, telephone, menu, nav. That's what we want, nav. So click on nav. Destination is at the bottom. You've got destination there and settings. Again, each corner, if there's an instruction there, corresponds to these 4 buttons around the rotary control. So we click destination. That's giving me the option here. If I wind up there, you've got town and postcode. Click on town and postcode. It's now giving you the rotary wheel. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. In the corners again there, delete, list, AAA 09. So we need 0 to 9 to get the numbers. So click on that and now we can get the numbers. So PR5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters E, A. That's us, PR5, 4, EA. Do I want a street? I could put a street, I could put Blackburn Road, but I don't need to. Not for this demonstration anyway. You just do the same thing, putting a street in. And then I just wind down to centre, click on centre. It's on start route guidance there, you see. Click on start route guidance.
The route is being calculated. Please drive to the route shown.
There you go. That's how you set the sat-nav. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.